the ENEOS 1969 Jaguar E-Type 2+2 with a 2JZ GTE engine. This unique restomod seamlessly blends the timeless beauty of the Jaguar E-Type with the legendary performance of Toyota's 2JZ GTE engine, resulting in a masterpiece that stands out in both heritage and innovation. Join us as we delve into the intricate details, craftsmanship, and performance that make this build a true marvel in the automotive world. The heart of this transformation is the Toyota 2JZ GTE inline-6, 24-valve DOHC 3-liter engine. This powerful engine delivers an astounding 600 horsepower, offering exhilarating acceleration and top-end performance that transforms the E-Type into a modern marvel. Transmission. The engine's power is paired with an E36 BMW M3 ZF 5-speed manual transmission, utilizing ENEOS Kiko ATF plus low-viscosity fluid for smooth gear shifts. The drivetrain includes an EXIZ BMW 535e differential, suspension/chassis, Silver's coilovers, DevSpeed roll cage, XT BMW 500, 35i rear subframe assembly, custom front suspension, brakes, 2003 Corvette front brakes, 2010 BMW 535i rears, wheels and tires, 17 by 8.5 inch front, 17 by 10 inch rear, Rotiform STL custom 2-piece wheels, 225/45 RSC 17 front and 255/40 RSC 17. Bridgestone Potenza RS 71 RS tires, exterior, custom Illuminati, 3D printed wide body prepared and painted by Vinny's Autobody. Inside, the E-Type offers a luxurious and functional cabin, featuring tilt seats, an OMP steering wheel, Schroff harnesses, and an OBP pedal box and foot panels. The interior is designed to provide comfort and support during spirited drives, with a blend of classic charm and modern amenities.